Hey, it's time to check out this 36-inch 13x8 HD lace front knotless box braided wig. I picked this girl up from Amazon. She has a clear and absolutely natural square knotless design, and she does have pretty good lace front space as far as the HD lace area. 13x8 ain't bad at all. She comes with premium transparent lace and is natural looking. She also comes with handmade double lace in the back. And these knotless box braids, 36 inches long, you heard me? I have mine in black, but this wig is very lightweight. She's made of Japan-made synthetic fibers. Let's go ahead and get into this install, but first, I'm gonna need y'all to do a little something. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and follow. I don't think I need it, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the more crazy 3-in-1 lace tint mousse in light brown. Just a few pumps because a little product goes a long way. And I'm just going to brush this on and go in with the blow dryer to make sure that the tint is dry. I don't want it wet when I apply to my head. Uh-oh, here she go. Y'all, this is the strap in the back to help secure her, which is good because braids can be heavy, but as I stated, she's very lightweight. I can attest to that. She is not heavy because of the fiber she's made out of, but I'm cutting the lace in the back. Just going ahead and cutting that off. It's just a little piece of lace. The same as what's in the front, but just a little piece in the back. So yeah. Sister girl is giving scalp. Do y'all see this? Look at here. Y'all leave me alone now. My bald cap ain't balding on one side. Trying to flatten my hair was a nightmare, so I'm doing the best I could do, but we putting this girl on. Let's get her on, and I'm going to pull her to the front as much as I can to make sure that I know where I'm going to position the glue. But first, we got to cut off the ear tabs. Before you apply glue, make sure you do that because it will be hell to, to actually install her and glue her down if you have ear tabs on. Okay? Just trying to make it easier for you. Alright, so now I'm going in cutting some slits in the lace, and this is going to make it easier to maneuver the lace and to position it when it's time to actually glue it down to the front of my head. So you'll definitely want to push the lace back, so just push the front of the wig back a little bit when you begin working with your glue. I went on and did about 2 layers because I didn't plan on having this on too long. Y'all, I got to let my locks breathe, so yeah, I wasn't planning on rocking this too long, so 2 layers is enough. And this glue does have a little white cast to it, which a little makeup can fix, but this glue is very affordable. It's not as expensive as Ghost Bond, but Ghost Bond is better if you want a longer wear, okay? I'm using this little silicone spatula to spread it out a little bit to make sure the product is flat and that it's spread all over where it needs to be. Just using the hairdryer on low for just a sec to speed up the process of getting the glue tacky. Okay, so I'm taking each tab of lace that's cut and pulling it down to guide the lace all the way to that front end where the glue is applied. And I'm not going to press it all the way down until it's positioned properly. Okay, and then just using the comb to make sure it's secured down, just to kind of enforce it a little bit more and make sure it's nice and flat and secure. Alright, so I'm going in with the hairdryer again to make sure that lace is staying down. And as I stated, this wig glue does have a white cast, but I'll still link it below. It works. I'm spraying some EBIN New York Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray. Also got that from Amazon. I'll link everything down below for y'all. But I'm applying that along the front just to make sure that it lays and I don't have any slippage and it melts in the front where it doesn't look like the scalp is moving around and shifting, because I won't be looking crazy. You heard me? I won't be looking crazy. Going back in with my Conair Yellow Bird hair dryer. I love this hair dryer. I have to remember to link that for y'all too. I love this hair dryer. For real, for real. It does the job. But we're going to get this here elastic and tie this baby down. And yeah, leave it on for about 10 minutes. And then we remove it. Alright, time to remove the elastic band. Alright, so it's time to cut this lace. I'm using an eyebrow razor to go in and get as close as I can to cutting the lace safely and making it meet at the same time. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and it is 355 coconut, but I'm just applying that to where the glue at the little line of demarcation left a little white cast. Is dry all the way, y'all. By the way, you want to make sure before you apply any makeup that it is dry. And y'all, forgive me for my voice. I was sick the whole week of my birthday. My birthday was on Labor Day, September 4th. Okay. Yep. And so I was sick, and then it's going on dang near 2 weeks and still struggling with my voice. So, y'all stay safe out there. But let's use this razor and do these baby hairs. We're going to do our edges. I don't like to really call them baby hairs, but they are. But we're not babies, so. I'm using my Style Factor Edge Booster with this little edge brush right here. It has a brush on one side and a comb on the other. But I like to use that to kind of mold the hairs how I like them. And then I get a clear gel and go over it with that gel after the fact. But make sure that once you swoop it to where you want it, you do clip as you go if you need to continue to clip down. But yeah, let's finish these baby hairs, these edges.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new?
As y'all can see, your girl loves some swoops. I loved it. Swoop. So yeah, that's what we did. A little something, something. I'm gonna use my hair dryer, dry it a little bit so it's not super wet and it'll stay in place. I'm not going to tie it back down again and going through all that and then it'll be stuck to the elastic and none of that. So we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to apply just a little bit more powder, my makeup, my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and just making it a little bit more defined. but I really love how it's looking. Okay, giving scalp, sis. Yes, I'm here for the breeze. And I did not have to sit for hours, and she was affordable. And yeah, I have everything linked down below in the description for y'all. But let me show you. I'm showing y'all she's braided all the way down to the ends. It's no loose hairs. I did take the hair and dip it after this video. Okay, I didn't film that, by the way. But yeah, let me show y'all the back. We'll swing around and I'm gonna show you the back. So here we go. This is how she looks in the back. And I'm gonna pull it up so y'all can kind of see if she were in a pony what it would look like. But boom, here's the finished look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all like it. If y'all tried this wig, let me know down below how your experience was with her. But your girl Chic loves y'all so much. I hope you made it official and joined the fam. I'd love to have you on board. But y'all have a good one. Be safe out there. Love. Because it ain't nothing to it but to do it. But alright. Here goes some pics, y'all. Later.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but getting to this reset